Ever wonder if an AI could spot the perfect trader for you before the market turns? Enter BingX AI, your built-in trading sidekick that slashes guesswork and amps up smart copy trades in the crypto market. Powered by razor-sharp algorithms, live market feeds, and trader behavior scans, it handpicks strategies that match your risk tolerance, ditching the hype for real, data-backed gains. Ready to tame copy trading risks? BingX AI recommends elite copy traders whose trading style syncs with your goals, flags position red flags, decodes P&L patterns, and serves up sentiment insights in milliseconds. Trade sharper and watch your portfolio thrive. Want to learn more about BingX copy trading? We do deep dives on spot and futures copy trading and more. Follow the links to our other copy trading videos in this video's description. Use BingX AI to get better at copy trading. BingX integrates powerful AI-driven tools to help you make smarter, data-backed decisions when copy trading. Here's how to use BingX AI to boost your results. Firstly, find the best copy traders with AI. BingX AI Expert Trader Analysis recommends traders that match your risk level, trading pair preferences, and profit goals so you don't have to guess who to follow. Secondly, explore multiple copy traders to diversify your strategy. Instead of relying on one trader, follow multiple traders with different styles, like scalping for short-term moves, swing trading for mid-term trends, and long-term positional plays to balance your risk and returns. Thirdly, use AI to size your positions smarter. Instead of just setting manual limits, BingX AI can analyze each copy trader's trading strategy along with market conditions to suggest more suitable position sizes for your copy trades. And lastly, analyze your copy trade positions with AI. Use BingX AI dashboards and scorecards to review ROI, win ratio, and drawdown. This helps you decide when to add more capital or adjust your strategy. By combining BingX AI with built-in risk tools, you can copy trade more confidently, improve capital efficiency, and manage volatility like a pro. How to use BingX AI for copy trading on desktop. BingX AI is integrated into BingX's desktop, so you can quickly analyze traders, assess market conditions, and optimize your copy trading strategy without leaving your browser. The first step, access BingX AI desktop. Log into BingX on your desktop browser and visit the copy trading page. Scroll through the trader list to explore profiles and use the AI analysis feature to instantly view performance metrics, risk scores, and suitability for your trading goals. Next, ask your question. Browse the list of copy traders and select the trader's name to open their profile. Here, you'll find in-depth AI analysis, including auto-assigned trader tags from BingX AI that highlight their style and strategy. Click All to launch your AI assistant and generate a full performance report with ROI trends, risk metrics, and trading behavior insights. Type plain language prompts, no technical jargon required. Some examples include, which traders suit my low risk profile? Or analyze this trader's win rate and drawdown trend. You can also ask, what's the current BTC sentiment in the market? Being specific helps BingX AI return precise, tailored insights. Third step, review structured insights. The AI will present its findings in a clear, data-driven format. You might see trader rankings with ROI, drawdown, and risk-reward analysis, analyze your preferred trading coins, detailed position diagnostics, including leverage exposure, and volatility metrics. Step 4, apply recommendations. Use these insights to select traders aligned with your goals, fine-tune copy trading settings, or rebalance funds across multiple traders. You can also set up AI-driven alerts to stay informed about performance changes. And lastly, step 5, analyze your positions with BingX AI. BingX AI doesn't just evaluate traders, but can also analyze your active positions in real time. It identifies your trades, highlights potential drawdowns, and suggests adjustments like reducing exposure or tightening stop loss levels. By monitoring your positions continuously, BingX AI helps you stay proactive, manage risk more effectively, and keep your portfolio aligned with your trading goals. How to use BingX AI for copy trading on BingX app. The BingX mobile app gives you the same AI capabilities in a format optimized for quick, on-the-go decision-making. The first step, update and open the AI assistant. Log into BingX on your mobile app and navigate to the copy trading page. Scroll through the trader list to explore profiles and use AI analysis to instantly view performance metrics, risk scores, and trader suitability for your goals. Next step, ask your question. Browse the copy trader list and select the trader's name to open their profile. Here, you'll see in-depth AI analysis, including auto-assigned trader tags that reveal their style and strategy. Tap All to launch your AI assistant and access a full performance report with ROI trends, risk metrics, and trading behavior insights. You can ask, analyze traders' performance, or what's the top trading pair for conservative traders right now? Or analyze my current BTC positions risk. Next step, get AI-powered insights. The app displays results in easy-to-read cards and charts. Expect to see trader compatibility scores based on ROI, risk level, and trading frequency, market sentiment snapshots for assets like BTC, ETH, or trending altcoins, and risk breakdowns for open trades, including stop-loss proximity and volatility exposure. The fourth step, act on the data. Directly from the AI interface, you can open a trader's profile, adjust copy trading preferences, or set alerts for market changes. This makes it easy to pivot your strategy instantly, even while away from your desk. You can use BingX AI to monitor and analyze the health of your positions. BingX AI elevates copy trading with smart, tailored insights while delivering customized trader suggestions, live performance tracking, and continuous risk assessments. Whether you're just starting out or fine-tuning your strategy, it's built to empower smarter choices for traders every step of the way. That said, remember, AI isn't a magic shield against trading risks. Markets shift in an instant, and historical wins don't predict tomorrow's outcomes. Integrate BingX AI into a well-rounded plan that prioritizes your due diligence, disciplined risk controls, and grounded goals for success. Don't forget to subscribe to BingX, like this video, and comment below if you're interested in integrating AI into your copy trading strategy. I'll see you next time.